how to remove an object from a photo in Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove an object from a photo in Google Photos, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove an object from a photo in Google Photos, it means that there is a feature known as magic eraser. Now remember that this feature is available for free on Pixel devices, so if you're using a Pixel device you can actually get them for free, but if you're using other devices, which means other brand smartphones, then you might want to pay a certain amount of price to get this feature. Now in order to enable this feature, you can just try to open the Google Photos app and just select a photo on which you might actually want to remove the object. So let me go ahead and then simply find out any of the images over here. And once I select a certain image, let's say that I want to go ahead and then remove something, I can just tap the edit option. Now by default sometimes it can say try our magic eraser, but if you don't find it, you can tap on edit option here, and whenever you go to the edit tab you should be able to see most of these details. Right here in the suggestions tab it could give you magic eraser, but if you don't find it, you can try going to tools, and here you'll find magic eraser and make sure to tap on it. Once you tap on magic eraser, Google Photos AI will automatically give you some of the recommendations. So if you want to find that, you can select that, or you can just go ahead and then make a circle around an object that you want to remove like this. After that, as you can see, it is going to automatically remove them and make it seem like those objects didn't exist in the first place. But remember that this feature is available on Pixel devices for free, but for other devices you have to pay a certain amount of price. This way you should be able to go ahead and then actually remove an object from a photo in Google Photos. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.